All right, we are gonna get into one more called Hamming. Calculate the Hamming distance between two DNA. Again with the DNA strands, man. All right, we read DNA. ATCG looks like this. We have 7 different. They have 7 differences, so the Hamming distance. Okay, so it's differences. So we should get 2 strings. Hopefully they're the same size. Nope. All right, I'm gonna go errors first here. We got DNA 1, DNA 2. Let's call them A and B. No, that's bad. That's bad. DNA 1, DNA 2. If DNA 1 dot length is not equal to DNA 2 dot length, throw this. Already taking care of that. All right, good. Then so and left right side length. Last strand must not be empty. Sure. Oh, if they're both empty, return 0. Oh yeah, because they're the same. Okay. So a couple different ways we can do this. We could iterate over old school way, right? This would be how you do it in other languages like C. You'd go for, or fastest one, you can do let I equals NA1 dot length. Let's dry this up. What am I doing with all these spaces? There they are. Thank you, Prettier. What did we do before Prettier? I don't even remember. Now what? Oh. What do they call it? Hamming? If DNA 1 length. Can I call it I? Oops. How do I select just this? I. It's kind of annoying up here, but it's fine. I shouldn't be doing that anyway. Okay, so if they're the same, increment, and then, okay, that works, maybe. Let's see. This is easy, by the way, which is why I'm thinking this is going to be, or it says it's easy. Clearly not. Right strand must not be empty. I have to check each of those. If one of them's empty, and then I have to say which one. That's so annoying. If they're both empty, we're fine, and we should return. But if only one is empty, only one will be empty. We'll get into here, so then we can go if I, and then if not DNA2. All right, I'll do this. I'll stop using I in a way that doesn't make sense at all. throw this. Probably this one is left. Single letter, identical strands, fails. Why? What happened? 0 received 13. 0 received, received 0. Should have been 1. If they're equal. Oh, if they're not equal. We did it! Alright, but I really don't like this, so let's kill it. I'm gonna set this up here, and then I'm gonna say I don't want to use a loop. Well, directly anyway. I'll do it. Looping. Got to do some looping action internally. So I'm gonna do this. That's going to be the same. Validation. Pull that out. Yeah. And then bad function name, side effecty, don't care. Then we go filter. So why filter? Because I'm going from an array of size of one size to an array of another size. Now I go back and forth between filter and reduce. Technically, what I want to do here is go from an array to a number, and that number is the number that are off. So I could use reduce here, but filter plus map or then filter plus length, I feel like it's just easier to read than reduce. So filter then thing often I think is, the better way. So and it's gonna be letter char and I wish there was a thing that mapped over two arrays at the same time, so you just get those both as input. That'd be sweet. And then filter where char is not equal to DNA2 I. What's wrong? Filter's not. Yeah, filter is not a function. That's a good point. DNA. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Sweet. One-liner. Huh? No. Huh? Wait. Validate. Yeah. One-liner. Woo woo. I mean, technically not one-liner. I got all this jazz up here. Is there a way to make this better? I mean, what I think of when I see something like this is types. I don't know how types could do something like this, because sometimes when it's an empty string, it's invalid, and other times it is valid. Is there a way to do this better? I bet somebody else, if I look at the other solutions, they did this better. I can't think of anything. Nested ternaries. It's the only thing that comes to mind. What would that look like? Oh, I gotta go, but let's just look at what that would look like real quick. Something, and then this, and then the something here would be DNA1. This. Otherwise, DNA 2 unreachable. What do you mean unreachable? What? Why is it unreachable? Question mark? Do I need to do this? What am I doing wrong here? I'm putting the thing on the wrong side? This one, wait, what? Okay, I can't do it now. I gotta go. Anyway, this was fun. Can I look at, all right, let's look at one of their solutions real quick. Submit. Bop, bop. Complete. Continue. Person did. Oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. Ah, the return 0. So it's always an exception if it's empty. Okay. And then just taking out all the parens and stuff. And then 0, 0 thing. And then you don't have the nested either. Ah, so much nicer. Cleaner. Okay, and then the old split instead of array.from or ... Fine. And then they used the loop, not the fastest while loop, but the normal loop that's everybody knows and loves. Okay, like it. I like it. Okay, collapsed everything up with no curlies. And then, hey, did the same thing as me. First did the array, commented that bad boy out, and then did the ... Oh, keys map. The ... keys is the one where it makes a new array where each item is sequential 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and an array of length. Yeah. So why would they do that? .map index. That's a weird, this is a weird time to be doing that. I get the trick, but these are already arrays, so they already have an index. And so the second thing you get in map or filter or whatever is index. And then you don't need to do this side effecty thing. Yeah, I'm not sure. This seems like it's just trying to be a little bit clever. All right, I do have to go. See you tomorrow.